Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Tony.
This is Winnie. So Tony, why we are here today, not in our office?
Okay, today our main topic is talking about projects. Some of you guys may know that Sid runs our own makerspace called China x.Factory. And today we're going to show you what it looks like and show you some cool projects and demos.
Okay.
Okay, let's follow our
little guide. 都帮走啊！ So x.Factory is trying to create a platform and to be connected to connect the maker pros and also the industries. So simply put, what we are doing is trying to collect the different IoT innovation needs from the different industries and also the communities, and to help them to fulfill their needs by cooperating with our maker pros. So speaking of our offline spaces, like the traditional makerspace, that we have a room to keep the equipment for makers. Here we have the CNC cutting machine, we have the 3D printing, this kind of machines all keep here.
We have a drill machine here, CNC machine here, and laser cutting. And there's so many other tools.
And this is our working space here. And that is room for holding different kinds of activities and meetups. And this here is the actual room for keeping different demos and projects.
Let me show you a cool project here. This is a laser cast 3D wood carving. It's not just a gift, it actually can detect the water quality by using the, let's see what's on the back. Here's a Seeeduino and a growth TDS sensor and a growth OLED displays. And we can put this pop on water so we can detect the total dissolved soils in the water. And the water quality will show on these displays. Super cool. Here is our industry class LoRa Solution, SenseCAP. We have a humidity sensor and temperature sensor, carbon dioxide, and some other gas sensor. And we also provide the API interface for developer. And next here is the project called IoT. Mr. Deng was running a farm in Sichuan province in China. And by using our solution, he can just sit at home and get all the important data in real time, like humidity and temperature, which is better for him to run the farm and to do a massive production. And he also opened this data to the public. The user can, by scanning this QR code, get the information from the farm. This transparency helps build the trust. Customer get a chance to know how good the tea is. And we call this tea IoT, the Internet of Tea. This area is used to show this product. And let's walk inside.
Yeah, so my part. Well, Seed's culture is to encourage that everyone can be a maker, no matter you are sales or engineers or marketing or even you are HR. So you can, if you want, you can do anything you want. So this area is to keep all the demos and the projects that's made by Seed employees, and the topic is time definition. Yeah, so let's go to this project. It's one of the projects that I like. The name is Time Trigger. So the designer is our photographer. Yes, so he thinks that the time is pointless without the person we love and we met. So you can see this is a clock. This is hour, minute, and seconds. So it's not working all the time as the standard clock. It would only works when it detects someone nearby. Like this. And I also really like the sentences the designer said, that you are the time trigger. So really romantic, right? 真的还是要，是不是还是要试着开始跟你走嘛？走了走了走了走了走了走了走了，哎，我是不是要拿个手？走了走了走了，我出去了。
Thanks for visiting x.Factory and see you next week.
See you. So let's see our last project. Can you see here? We put a temperature sensor inside to measure the temperature. I'm kidding. So it's dinner time. We just want to show you one of the hottest food in China, Chinese hot pot. It's one of my favorite. And there are so many different kinds of hot pot in China, like the Sichuan hot pot. And today we want to show you Chaoshan beef hot pot, which is famous mainly in Guangdong province and all the south India.
There are two different soups. One is spicy, which is I don't like, and the other is vegetable soups. All you need to do is just put the meat inside the soup and just put it inside. And when it is okay, we can eat. Just in case of the camera will be accidentally put the chop inside the soup, we'd better to stop now. And thanks for watching. See you next week.
See you.